daydreamer, and that is you. Yes. Hello, good morning to everyone. We are back for a new vlog. So today we are going to visit one of the project that we are managing dito po sa banda ng Novaliches. So if you are interested in knowing what's inside na newly renovated, please watch this video till the end. Hello guys, let's go! Join me! Ayan. So, pasok po tayo. Okay. So, as you enter the front door, okay, so after showing you the den or the second bedroom, we have now come to the part of the master's bedroom. So, come in. Ayan po. And, hey, daydreamer! And that is you! Yes! Okay, so this door will lead you to the petit toilet and bath. Ito yung unit na ito. So, yan. Okay. So again, this area is not looking like this before. So, ang ginawa po namin update dito, this one we put a new shower head. It used to be a bidet, no? So, ang bidet po is, alam niyo na kung saan siya dapat gamitin. However, when they receive this unit, yung po ang nakalagay. So, ayan na po. So, tamang shower head na po ang naka-install. Plus, yung ating po mga shampoo and all, dito po, naglagay din po kami ng extra. Okay. On this side of this area here, okay, so naglagay po tayo ng additional let's be. Okay, so dyan po nagtatapos ang ating pong unit tour para po sa project na ito na aming pong minamanage. Okay? So, if you are one of the daydreamers, make it happen now. Ayan, di ba? So, contact us for any inquiries, alright? Para po sa property management ng inyong pong mga idle units na nandito po sa Pilipinas. Ayan. So, I hope nagustuhan niyo po ang ating episode today. And I hope to hear from you. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Click the like button and notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we put up a new video. Bye-bye for now. It's CJ here. Bye!